I would say this is the most hype release for this season. We've lined up since 6:30 for this release, so today they will be releasing the Nike SB Dunk in collaboration with Supreme. Good day everyone, this is Ferdy and welcome to the vlog. In this episode, we are going to try to hook the latest release from Supreme Week 2, Nike in collaboration with Supreme. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please make sure that you do so to be updated in our latest videos. Here's the line, guys. I just got from there. And then there's the end of the line for this block. And then they've extended the line up to that block. So there's many people. I'm expecting at least 2,000 people. I don't know. This is a hyped release, so that is expected. We have here the three colorways for the Supreme and Nike collaboration. Our Vietnamese friends lent us this camper green colorway. This is from Minsan. We have the Supreme branding over here, 24.5 sizing, and of course, the Supreme branding on the insole. Next up is this one. This is the white colorway. The extra lace has the same color with the swoosh, and we have the Nike SB Supreme branding. And of course, we have the black and red ones. So you can see the Supreme branding over here. I'm going to unveil this later at my house. So there you go. In Atmos, we have the Adidas Superstar covered in crocodile leather, as you can see. And of course, we have the black and red, kinda looks like a Deadpool. And we have the plaid pattern for the sock liner. For Jordan 4s, we have this cave stone colorway with that OG Nike Air logo at the back. Not to forget this one. This is a collaboration again with Jordan brand. This is the Nigel Sylvester, the bike. Lots of Jordans here with that Soul 2.0. And of course this one, 3s. The same material with the Jordan Undefeated and of course the OGs at the top. We also have new Air Forces here. We've got this camo hints. This is the first one with that pink swoosh and also this one at the bottom, the camo swoosh. Next up is Bape. In Bape, we have this latest Bapex. We've got it in this silver colorway and of course it comes cased with this green leather box, tumbled leather box. And the latest release from Adidas, Samba and Bape, we have black and white. So that's how they look. And of course the ABC camo at the insole. There you go. For the forefoot, they've replaced the suede with rubber material. And of course, it's more durable than your usual Sambas. And here we have the Bapesta branding at the right side of the shoe. As for the left side, we have the 3 stripes logo from Adidas. Classic colorway. As for the black, it goes well with everything. For this week's accessories, we have those cushion at the top, new bags at the middle, and of course, we have sleep masks over here in the various ABC camo colors. And on this side, we have bags, backpacks, and a mesh bag over there. For the shirts, we have the striped shirt with ABC camo, in navy, beige, and black. Very cool material. And of course, the 1 point logo of Ape and the pinstripe pattern. So for this one, we have the Baby Milo in pink, the plushie over there. That's their newest collection over there. And of course, hats. The Adidas collaboration, we have the shirts. And of course, the bag. Baby Milo bag. As for the Bapestas, we have the camo Bapesta over there. And of course, the black one at the left side. They also have this Lucano collaboration with Bape. They only released these ladders and there's the price. Now let us go to Osaka. Well, that's what we have in Nagoya, and right now we're going to Kith first. And I'm going to unveil all the other stores here in Osaka. In Atmos Shinsaibashi, we have the New Balance 1000 in collaboration with Salehi Bunbury. And the retail price for this one is 24,200 yen. You can see the details here and also the outsole. Next up is CDG. So guys, today is Sunday and I'm going to unveil all the orders. Let's start off with the Supreme SB Dunks. I'm just going to show you one pair. We have Black 9, Black 8, Black 10.5, and Black 8.5. Black 9 is for Sir Eiffel. Black 8 is for Ma'am Iris. Black 10.5 is also for Ma'am Iris. Next is the Black 8.5 for Sir Lordy, and this is how it looks. So, we have this Nike SB box, and there's no Supreme branding. This is the tag. In this case, this is the 8.5. There's the Nike SB and Supreme box logo branding all throughout the shoe paper. We have here the Japan tag, as you can see right here. There's also a sticker of the Nike SB branding. Here we have the 8.5s. Starting off with the laces, it comes pre-laced with this black fat laces. Red laces included with the pair. As you can see by the aglets, there's a subtle hint of world-famous slogan. And then, the insole of Supreme. There's also a hang tag here of Nike SB and Supreme. And this is the forefoot area. Lateral side with that 94 embroidery. Medial side, the puffy tongue with the Nike SB branding. The insole with that Supreme branding. Heel counter with that embroidered Nike branding. And then the midsole, Supreme branding, the bust, and the outsole. So there you go. So again, this is the 8.5. This is the 10.5. This is the 8. This is the 9. So that's what we have here. I also have a stock here of the black size 8.5 again. And then a size 9 for the white. I'm just going to show you the white. Comes pre-laced with the white laces, by the way. And we have the gray extra lace for this one. So the forefoot area. Lateral side with that 94 branding. Medial side. The tongue. The insole. Heel counter with the Nike branding. The midsole. Supreme branding, the bust. And of course, the gray outsole. So this one is very clean. Another added feature for this one is the swoosh is 3M. I'll just show you a picture on the screen. So there you go. That's our stock. That's a size 9. I also have black size 9. Next is for Sir Jules. He ordered 6 Gashapon pieces and a sticker set. So for this one, it is randomized. Gachapon is actually a mystery box, but in this case, we have Supreme items inside. So it is reminiscent of all the past releases from Supreme. We cannot really see what's inside from afar, but if you look closely, it's semi-transparent. In this case, we have the guitar. Next is the truck. So the truck lights up. And then we have a vinyl record here. And Supreme boxing gloves. Supreme boxing gloves again. And vinyl record. Unfortunately, I cannot open this one since the request of our client is not to open the packages. Next up is the Bones jersey for Sir Eli. This one is the red one. This is how it looks. You know jerseys from Supreme? It is a very beautiful piece each season. For the sleeves, we have this bone motif. I also wear Supreme jerseys. I love this one because all of the logos are embroidered, whereas in the regular Supreme jersey, it is only a print, but it's still good in my opinion. Very beautiful piece from Supreme. Next is breast cancer awareness cap for Sir Daza. This one came from Sneaker Dunk. There's the authentication card as you can see right here. We have the fitted cap, the verify authentic tag, as you can see right there. At the back, we have the world famous embroidery, and we have the Supreme box logo here, and the breast cancer awareness logo over there. The size for this one is 718. Next is the mini shoulder bag. The camo is for Sir Badge and the black mini shoulder bag is for Sir Jonathan. I'll just going to unveil one. Here we have 2 bags. This is the black one with the strap. 3M reflective Supreme branding. And of course, we have this one. 3M reflective also, and here's the strap. This product is treated with a special process that may result in variation and uniqueness. A worn-in appearance is intentional. It says there as a precaution from Supreme. When we open this up, this is how it looks inside. Zip pocket, and of course the front pocket. So not to mention there's a belt strap. That's the only feature here. Made with Cordura fabric, of course. Next is the Realtree backpack for Sir Eiffel. A denim backpack. Here we have the Supreme box logo at the front. There's a mini pocket at the front. The main pocket has this compartment. They have a laptop sleeve on the inside. Also at the top front pocket, we have a compartment over here. You can put a tumbler at the sides of the bag or umbrella at one side. So this one and this one, another feature for this bag. Oh, and of course, we have the strap to secure your bag in place when you're walking. And that's it. Next up are the order of Sir Aaron. These are the shirts from week 1. This is the stick tee and the carty tee in a size XL. They both came from Sneaker Dunk. That's why there's 2 authentication cards. There you go. We have the carty tee. This is how it looks. Size XL. No back print. And the stick tee. So that's it. A very naughty piece from Supreme. No back print also. Next up is this Supreme box logo cap for Sir Rap. And this is how it looks. We have the box logo at the front. Canvas material all throughout the cap. And at the back, we have this leather strap. And also the Supreme branding. Another cap for our anonymous buyer. We have this S logo cap. It has this vintage wash color, as you can see. So that's the S logo, embroidered patch, and of course the Supreme logo at the back. We have this canvas material at the back for the strap. We have another carty tee for Sir Bob. So it's just the same with that piece earlier. We are done with Supreme. Next up is Bape. White Samba in collaboration with Bape in a size 9.5 for Sir Rafael. And a size 7.5 for Sir Don. These are the conversions. I'm just going to unveil the 9.5. So it comes in this ABC camo box with a 3-stripe branding and collaborative branding at the side. Once we open it up, we have this ABC camo shoe paper. It comes pre-laced with this white flat laces. We have here another set of extra laces, and this is how it looks. So the aglets at the end is silver. When it comes to the factory laces, we have this normal ones. And we have the katakana for a bathing ape. If you look closely, there you go, that's Japanese characters. Instead of the suede material, they changed the forefoot to this rubberized material. It is more durable than your usual Samba. So this is the forefoot area. Lateral side, Bapesta and 3 stripes branding. Medial side, the inverse. So the tongue looks like a Busenit's pair. And the insole, collaborative insole. As for the heel counter, it's just your normal heel counter. And we have this midsole / outsole from the regular Sambas. Next is the ABC Camo tote bag for Sir Kenneth. And here we go. This is how it looks. It is very spacious inside. Perfect for grocery shopping and a 1-day trip or 2-day trip in this case. Next up is the Baby Milo pink bag, pink wallet, phone strap, and Baby Lisa plushie for Ma'am Princess. Let's start off with the pink Baby Milo bag. This is how it looks, very cute. There's a compartment over here. So there's also a branding with the straps, Baby Milo store if you look closely. And that's it. She also ordered the coin case. This is how it looks. It's just the same material with that plushie. Doubles as a bag, and then we have this coin case. So for the phone strap, so we have here the phone strap, and this is how it looks. We have the ape head logo over there, and the Baby Milo motif for the beads. We have various colorways of the Baby Milo beads. With blue, orange, pink, green, and yellow. And lastly, from Osaka. So this is a plushie, mini plushie for your bag. That's Baby Lisa, by the way. That was the orders of Ma'am Princess. Next up is the temper pillow and neck pillow for Sir Eric. So this is how it looks. Nothing too special about the box. No Bape branding whatsoever. Here's the dust bag. And inside the dust bag is the pillow itself. Here's the cushion. It is very soft. It comes in this ABC camo green colorway. And we have here a zipper. There you go. There's the cushion itself. It is great for decorations. And then the neck pillow. It's just your ABC camo green neck pillow. This is perfect for travel, of course. Next up is the Baby Malo on Ape head tee for Sir Justin. So this is how it looks. No back print. Our next order is for Sir Paul, and this is from Ape, a subsidiary of Bape. And this is how it looks. The 1-point logo over there. And of course, the Ape Now branding at the neck area. And at the back, we have this slogan, somewhere in the Ape universe. There you go. Next is Palace Alabama jersey in the red colorway for Sir Kenneth. We have here the Palace, or in this case, Palace Alabama, Palabama jersey. This is a size M. So it is kind of same with Supreme sizing. Number 9. At the sleeves. And then we have this patch over here. Pro Division. At this lower left side. Next is the Union Pocket T size M and Union Pocket T size L. The size M is for Sir Junie and the size L is for Sir Janice. I'm going to unveil just one. This is the size M. This is how it looks. It has this vintage wash. There's a subtle Union branding over here at the side, at the back. And then the Pocket T, we have the Union, of course, over there. Next up is the Bapesta for Sir Sean. We have here the black Bapesta. Of course, it comes in this Bathing Ape ABC Camo Green with the dust bag. Brown dust bag. The standard presentation for the Bapestas. And then we have the Bapesta themselves. No extra set of laces, but here we have the Panda colorway. We have the forefoot area with the silver dubrace. Lateral side, you can see at the midsection, there's an ABC Camo branding that's going on. And then we have here the lateral side. Same branding at the midsection. We have the tongue, insole, the heel counter with that Bapesta branding. And on the lateral side at the back, we have the Ape Head logo. Midsole has that Bape branding, and of course the outsole with that Bapesta branding. Next one is also a hype release. This is the Awake in collaboration with Jordan. We have the Jumpman logo over here. And the branding at this side, Brooklyn, Manhattan, the Bronx, Queens, Staten Island at this side. And of course, Nike Awake NY. And there's the sizing at the bottom. So when we open this up, wow. Not to mention, this is from Sneaker Dunk. That's why there's an authentication card. We have here stickers. Awake. And then it comes with the shoe paper. Special shoe paper for this release. There you go. New Yorkers would be proud of this release. Well, we have this very beautiful shoe. It comes pre-laced with this black flat laces, and it has 2 sets of extra laces in blue and in white, as you can see right there. And of course, the lace lock has that blue lock. We have here the hang tag, Nike Awake NY. The forefoot area has this standard leather from Nike and Jordan. Lateral side with that Awake branding. And of course, at the right pair, we have the NY embroidery. And left pair has this 23 embroidery. Medial side, same Awake branding. At the tongue, they've integrated the Jumpman logo for the Awake logo, as you can see right there. At the back of the tongue, we have the Air Jordan and Awake NY. And of course, the heel counter has that Nike Air OG logo in the blue colorway. So midsole is reminiscent of the Fighter Planes. So iced out outsole. So again, that is for Sir Kenneth. Next up is a pair of New Balances. This is the 204L for Sir Linton. Classic New Balance box in that gray colorway. Nothing too special. Authentication card from Sneaker Dunk. So we have here 2 sets of laces. The extra lace is brown, just like the uppers. And it comes pre-laced with this beige laces. This is the forefoot area. Lateral side with that N logo. Medial side, the tongue, the insole, heel counter with that subtle NB logo, the sleek midsole, and the outsole. Collaboration again for Sir Arkisha. This is the Nike in collaboration with Nigel Sylvester in the Air Jordan 1 silhouette. This is the conversion. Comes with a special box, bike. This is still available for retail, by the way. The extra lace for this one is red. Another set of extra lace, black. And the laces for the shoes are beige. So there you go. This is the forefoot area. Lateral side. This is the Japan black tag and this is the medial side. The tongue, the insole, heel counter with that Wings logo, and of course the midsole / outsole. Next is the Adidas AMG collab with Sir Ian. For this one, it comes with this 3-stripe branding box. And this is the tag with that conversion. Once we open them up, we have the shoes, the forefoot area. This is the lateral side with the red stripes. Medial side, same. The midfoot section has this AMG branding. It is a very short tongue. This is the insole. Heel counter with the 3 stripes branding. And of course, the midsole. The outsole has this Continental rubber. It is the same material with lots of vehicles, the tire of vehicles. This is a durable technology from Adidas. And I'm glad they've incorporated it with the shoe. Okay, next up is the Van Gogh Burberry. It came from Sneaker Dunk, thus the authentication card. It is this design in a Burberry. I cannot unveil this one, unfortunately. So this is the box. 400 and 100%. So my funds got depleted because of these Burberrys, and this Mickey Mouse ordered from our anonymous client last time. This one is for Sir Bets, and we have another one for our anonymous buyer. That's one. For our anonymous buyer, we have here 3 more Burberrys. So this is the Black Aurora Burberry speaker. 400%. Next up is the Rainbow Burberry. There you go. Next is the Crystal Halo Burberry. 400%. And lastly, we have the Pearl Mirage. 400%. That is all our orders for this week. My favorite regarding this week is of course the Supreme in collaboration with Nike SB Dunks. I ordered 2 for myself, the black and the white. And if you are curious how they look with the extra set of laces, this is how they look. So this is the black pair with that red extra lace, and this is the white pair with that gray extra lace. It kind of looks like the neutral gray of the Jordan 1 lows. So I like this one because it goes well with anything. I did a review regarding these 2. So please check it out. There you go. Supreme. Regarding my dunks, I don't know if you've noticed, but I installed a sneaker protector at the heel. This is to prevent heel drags. In this case, to prolong the life of the shoe. But not to worry, I have a friend that restores shoes, so I am not afraid to collect shoes. Let me know in the comments what you think regarding this week's release. Are you interested in the shoes, the Jordan 5 Awake collaboration, or the Nike SB Dunk Supreme collaboration, or you want the Adidas Samba in collaboration with Bape? Let me know down below if this is a cop or drop for you. I just want to take this opportunity to thank all my friends, my viewers, my subscribers, my friends and family, my wife, my best friend. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is Ferdy signing out. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye!